turn that bitch up, Glory.
Yeah, hey, I'm going on red, just give me a ticket. I want that bread, I'm chasing the ticket. Don't wanna bed or go to prison. Going hard from start to finish. You want my head, you gon' have to come get it. We filled with lead, we gon' shoot till it's empty. Counting up dead, we counting up plenty. Gotta count my friends, I ain't got too many. Where I'ma go?
Poppin' YouTube, this your boy EWYLEETV, man. You feel me? We gonna do another challenge. You feel me? We gotta go to Cluck Chicken. It's raining, but you know, we grind every day. You feel me? We grind every day. Rain, sleet, snow. You feel me? But it's mad cold, so we about to go to the Cluck Chicken and try this 9/11 wings. Y'all see my last challenge, right? We did the Dave's Hot Chicken Reaper challenge. Now we about to do the 9/11. You feel me? We gonna see what's up with it, man. Let's go, man. It's cold as shit, man. Come on.
What is this nigga doing, yo? Nigga shadow boxing, trying to shadow box the chills off his fingers, nigga.
Shit, nigga. It's fucking cold, nigga. Oh, shit, nigga. My tire would go flat. Hey, yo, on some real shit, y'all. Why every time when the weather's fucked up, you either get a flat, you either your car won't start up, you need a jump. It's always when it rains heavy or it's cold as fuck.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But anyway, man, we gonna get right, man. Fuck it, man. I got air in my tire, we good. And we finna go to the Cluck Chicken and try this shit out, man. You feel me? We had to stop by, get some air. And yeah, man, we out, nigga. So we just pulled up to the Cluck, you feel me? We about to go try these 9/11 wings. We're gonna see if it's hot or not, you feel me? But come on, bro. Hey, what if I come in the joint and they say they ain't got it? Shit. This is the halal shit. You know what I mean?
It is?
Yeah.
This shit is good.
That's the halal, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's the halal, nigga.
Hey, what you about to get, gang?
Shit, I'm about to look at the menu too. I don't even know yet. I know it's gonna be something. I know it's gonna be something.
Hey, man, if you chilling, man, you can watch some SpongeBob too. You feel me? Oh, they got the joint right there. This the wall. This the wall right here. This is the wall right here. I'm about to be on the wall. I'm gonna be on. Hey, mark my words, y'all. I'm gonna be on this wall. Turn me up.
You funny as shit, E.
Turn me up, baby.
This is Wall of Flame.
The Wall of Fame, bro. So if you win,
Wall of Flame.
Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame. So if you win, you right here. Everything good? The quality looking good? You already know why I'm here. I know. You try that 9/11 special, you heard? You already know. I got signed a waiver. Oh, shit. That's the waiver?
Yes, sir.
How
Oh,
many
he got
wings
some
is
sign
it?
a waiver.
5 wings?
5 wings?
Yeah.
And if I win, I get some money?
No, you didn't get the money.
Alright, good. So this is the waiver I have to sign, yo. I have to sign this waiver. This is basically my death note. What's today, the 22nd?
I believe so, yeah.
Today's the 22nd, right? Today's the 22nd?
What do you mean?
The date, the 22nd.
It is 22nd.
Okay,
Yes.
my God.
Never second guess yourself.
Let's go, baby. We ready. We ready. How long we wait?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Yo, what?
Do the 911?
Oh, hold on.
Want me to come here?
Yeah, hey, yo, film me. Yeah, I'm actually doing YouTube right now, so yeah,
Gotcha.
yeah, go ahead and film me too, bro.
Alright, I got
Hey,
you.
we about to
Yeah,
be
we
lit.
ready.
Turn me up, baby. Let's go, man. Yeah, we good, man. Yo. They say if I win, I get a picture up there. So I'ma aim for that. I'ma aim for that picture, man. I got a good audience, you know what I mean? So we gonna turn up and have a good time, man. Got my boy Oak Shake, you know what I mean? Chilling. So yeah, man. Stay tuned. Yo. We did it, baby. We did it, baby. Shit. All right, man.
Alright, it all good, man.
Oh, shit. All right, man. You trying to move up? I'm trapped. See, they made sure I couldn't get out.
Oh, yeah. No, you get it, dog. Here you go.
Hey, yo, YouTube. Yo, YouTube, man. I just completed the 9/11 challenge at Cluckster's. Cluck you chicken.
Yeah, be on the ball, man.
You know what I mean? Y'all tap in. Y'all, if y'all think y'all can handle this, y'all come here and try it. I'm sweating. My mouth is on fire, but we did it, baby. Ain't nothing I can't do, baby. Let's go.
My nigga.
episode, man. We just got done with the challenge, man. It ain't about nothing. I killed it. 5 wings, 5 minutes. Ain't about nothing. You know what I'm saying? We turn up, we do things, we have fun with it, and we network with people. You feel me? It was a great network experience. You feel me? Still in the rain though, but you know, we grind whatever. Rain, sleet, snow, whatever, you know what I mean? But anyway, man, this is the end of the video. I appreciate everyone watching it. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out of this thing. Let's get it, let's go bang. EWYLEETV, go.
Pull up with my savage, I got shooters, ain't no capping. Hop by 10 or more, that deal get sweeter, I need back in.